down. Ooh, sorry now.
Hey boys, it's on. Now's our chance.
Get your coins ready, guys. Oh, I've got mine.
Me too. Okay, let's.
Spin that record.
Yes. Oh, I love this song.
Come on, yes. Okay, start us off. Here we go. See the girl with the diamonds on her shoes. Yeah. She walks around like she's got nothing to lose. Go get her. She's everybody's type. She's the queen of the city, but she don't believe the hype. She's got her own elevation, holy motivation. Till I wrote some letters on big books.
I got faith in you, baby. I got faith in you now. And you've been such a good friend to me. Know that I love you somehow. I met you, now I know it. I got faith.
See the boy with the Stevie Wonder swag. He got a cap on the magic and he hits. He's a go-getter. He's everybody's top. Come on, make him a mission, make him feel alright. So 12 on a 10 point, rocking out to his joint. Just say the words 'cause I can sing all night.
I got faith in you, baby. I got faith in you now. I met you, now I know it. I got faith.
Welcome to Turntables, where you get to turn the tables on us. There's two boxes full of amazing tunes, but we don't get to choose which one to play.
That is up to you guys. We're gonna have 3 lucky people come up here, spin that record, and whatever you spin, we sing.
And no two shows are ever the same.
But every show's a great time.
That's right. Let's have some spooky fun. Welcome to Turntables.
I get around and my mind goes crazy. I think about you more than noon. Now I got faith in you. Oh, I met you. Now I know it.
I got faith in you, baby. I got faith in you now. And you've been such a good friend to me. Know that I love you somehow.
Yes, I do.
met you, now I know it. I met you, now I know it. I got faith.
Yes, I do. Yes, I do.
Good morning. All right, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Halloween Turntables. And just in case anybody out there may have missed what's happening, we're going to be getting 3 very lucky people, one at a time, to come up onto this stage, spin that record, and whatever song it lands on, we are going to sing.
Woo!
Now, I need my very first volunteer of the show. Who's going to come up and help me spin this wheel?
That
Yes,
guy.
sir in the green.
Yeah.
Come up here. We're missing a green today.
Hey,
So that's
oh,
amazing.
we
All right.
You match our crew.
Turn around, face the front. What is your name? Jerry, and where are you from? Jerry's from China.
Yay!
All right, good job, Jerry. Come over this way for me. Ooh, all right. All right, what you're going to do is you're going to put your hand on the wheel inside here, and you're going to spin that record. Big spin.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, Jerry, now you have to dance. You know how to dance?
Look at
Ready?
it. We'll give you a beat.
Ready? Go!
Hey!
Move out of my way. I know you're feeling me 'cause you like it like this. I'm breaking it down. I'm not the same.
All right, Jerry, you have landed on I Wish by Stevie Wonder.
Yes.
Do you know that song?
Yes.
Yes, do you love that song? Yes, he loves it. All right, thank you so much, Jerry. Massive round of applause for our first spin of the day.
Amazing.
All right, guys.
Guys, did you know I met Stevie Wonder once?
Did you really?
I wish.
Oh, that's okay. Well, I hope everybody has a Stevie wonderful time with us.
Oh, this
because
guy.
it's coin time.
It's gonna be so great.
I'm here.
Ready, boys?
Yeah.
Hey!
Come on. Ooh, looking back on when I was a little nappy-headed boy. Ooh, yeah.
Then my only worry was for Christmas, what would be my toy? Ooh, yeah.
Now, even though we sometimes would not get a thing,
We were happy with the joy that volunteer. Who wants to come on the stage?
Who's it gonna?
This guy, come
He
on
was
up.
coming straight forward.
He was halfway here. Hi, sir. What's your name? Jekishin, and where are you from? From India. Welcome.
Hey!
Okay, come on over. Now I need you to reach in, and I want you to.
Spin that record!
Okay, sir. Now you have to dance.
Got to go round.
See your best dance.
Talking about your troubles is a crying sin.
Hey, got the move.
I love it.
Phone it at the spin.
Okay, sir. You have landed on The Middle by Zed. Do you know this song?
Ooh, that's a good one.
He knows it. Great. Well, I'm going to sing it for you. Is that okay? Thank you so much, sir. Excellent song choice. Well done.
That is a good one.
Okay, boys.
Are you ready for this one, man?
Am I ready?
Yeah,
let me
you're up
just.
for this one, right?
Yep, I'll sing it.
You good?
I got it. You ready? It's coin time.
Let's
That's
do
good.
it.
Take a seat right over there. Stand on the stairs, stay relieved. The cabinets are bare and I'm unaware of just how we got into this mess. Got so aggressive. I know we meant all good intentions. So pull me closer. Why don't you pull me close? Why don't you come on over? I can't just let you go.
Oh, baby, why don't you just meet me in the middle? I'm losing my mind just a little. So why don't you just meet me in the middle?
In the middle. Looking at you, I can't lie. I need you on my skin. Just come over, pull me in, just. Oh,
Baby, why don't you just meet me in the middle? I'm losing my mind just a little. So why don't you just meet me in the middle?
Here we go.
the middle, baby. Why don't you just meet me in the middle? Oh yeah, I'm losing my mind just a little. Hey,
So why don't you just meet me in the middle, middle?
here we go. Hey,
And now,
that's right. Hey,
So why don't you just meet me in the middle, middle, in the middle, middle?
sing it, man. Good job. Okay, guys, it's my turn to choose the final volunteer.
yeah.
You
Yes,
have
it
a
is.
very nice smile. I saw you smiling there. Coming up, what is your name? Budin, and where are you from? You're traveling, and where's your home? Where are you traveling from? From India.
Hey.
Okay, I've got a special job for you. Just put your hand on the wheel there. And what are we gonna do, guys? Spin that record. Give it a big spin. Nice. Come on, hey. Oh yeah. He is having the time of his life up here. I love it. Okay, what have we landed on? Whoa. We have landed on a gold record, which means you have one more job to do. Would you like to go to the left? Or would you like to go to the right?
Left or right? Okay,
To the right. Okay, what have we
You got
landed
it.
on here? We have landed on, you went to the right, My Heart Will Go On by Celine Dion. Yeah, look how happy he is. I'm so glad we picked that song. Please give it up for my friend from India. What a great song. At this time in the morning as well. Matt, this is a big female song. Are you ready for it?
What?
Yeah, come on. It is coin time.
Wait, are you serious?
Yeah, absolutely. Come on, Celine Dion.
I just sang the middle. I already did my
See the crowd
solo
love
today.
you?
I'm out. Freddie.
Me.
Yeah, I just did mine.
You
It's your
know
turn.
what? You know what? I would love to, but I feel like King, this has your name on it. You're gonna be amazing.
Huh?
Yeah, come on,
okay,
King, you got
but
this.
Come on,
we need to
King.
change it a little bit. Okay?
Change it.
Yeah. Love can't touch us. One time
Oh, you're gonna do it? Okay.
and last for a lifetime and never let go till we go. Every night in my dreams, I
turntables. Now I'm gonna go and ask my toes, because you guys have been keeping me on them.
Freddie, no.
What?
Lies you tell, because we still have one more song that we need to sing in the jukebox.
That's right. We're not stopping.
Oh.
No, so Mads, can you do the honors, please?
I would love to.
Tonight I'm gonna have myself a real good time. I feel like
In the world, I'll turn it inside out. Yeah. I'm floating around in ecstasy.
so don't stop me now.
Don't stop me,
'Cause I'm
having a good time, having a good time.
starting
To the sky, like a tiger, your mind pulls off gravity.
I'm a racing car, passing by like Lady